So, you want to tell me what you did to this thing, Chris?
What did I do? Yeah, we replaced both upper control arms, both lower ball joints, sway bar links, inner and outer tie rods, pitman arm, and idler arm. Pretty much everything on the whole front end, except the brakes. It's still not finished.
Is that stuff you told me about or no?
And this is inner and outer tie rods. And adjuster sleeves.
What are those for?
That's for the alignment. What holds the two of them together.
So why was it wise for this customer to do all this?
Because it'd never been done before and everything was falling out.
So, why did he replace those control arms instead of just getting bushings?
Because with the whole control arm, it came with ball joints. And we bought them on the internet. Got them very cheap.
Okay, thanks for your time, Chris.
Yep.
How much longer do you think this will take you to finish?
Probably about another hour and a half.
Okay.
You still have to put these two parts on and this one shock. The news.
What's that other thing in the box?
Oh, that's for the shock.
Oh. Last item in the box. Okay, well. So, labor on a job like this, how much would it normally run? You estimate. We realize, you haven't looked anything up. You don't have your paperwork, anything like that at the moment. So,
Probably in the 500 to 700 range.
okay. Well, again, thanks for your time.
Yep.
Have a great evening.